Hey guys, we got this 2011 Toyota Rav4, and today I'm going to be installing these Zito LED headlights. Now, we'll be doing the high beams in this video. If you're looking for low beams or fog lights on this vehicle, we've got those too, so go check them out. But yeah, when you buy these, you can put in the code TECH28 for 10% off. To do lights on this Rav is very, very simple. You may have to move some things out of the road on that side, but this side is fairly straightforward. Your high beam bulb is going to be the inside circle, and what we're going to do is just reach down there. The bulb is down here, and you're going to turn it counterclockwise. Remove the bulb. There you can see we've got a black connector. That's for our high beam. And then there's a little lock tab that you just depress right there and pull the bulb out. Fairly simple. Grab our new bulbs, slide these open. These are very nice. LED. They got a cooling fan built right into them, so they stay cool. Plug and play. And then all we're gonna do is install that into the housing. Now just remember, we turn this counterclockwise, right? So the bulb's gonna sit on an angle just like this when we go to install that into the housing. And you wanna make sure that those tabs line up when you install this so that the bulb is sitting true in the lens. You see these three tabs that are on the actual light bulb here? Very important. So going in, a little bit of an angle, and then turn it this way. So let's turn these lights on, see what they look like. Check that out, guys. Insanely bright, insanely bright. If you want a modern look, super awesome brightness, better energy usage, they don't heat up as much. They just look all around awesome, and the amount of light that you're gonna get out of this thing, you're gonna be able to see so much further. It's totally worth the upgrade. I got them in my own car, and I would never switch back. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Get yours today. TECH28, 10% off. Subscribe, like. We'll see you in the next one.